Here's Mom ready to go with her bees.
Okay, Anna. Yep. Just a quick. Yep. Can pull that out. I'll grab this lady.
Okay, good cups down there.
I know they're residents. Okay. Got her. Yep. Let's go ahead and get her stable.
There's Mom's queen. So we'll want to make sure we do it as she's at the bottom, and then I'll put my thumb there. And then this stage 2 will be the candy.
Yeah, yours was I think yours was bigger. Okay, sweetheart. Make some babies. Because they will have moved around a little bit. Okay, are you ready? One more
Yep.
down.
I'm gonna hold the camera so you're.
Okay, and then I'm just gonna dump them.
Yep. You'll shake them out like sand. Nice. Yep, keep shaking kind of back and forth like that to get them all towards that circle. Yeah. I'd go back and forth like this. Yeah. Okay. How do you feel? You feel like most of them are out?
Yeah, I think so.
Look at them.
You see them?
That's insane.
Okay, let's put our lid on.